Take on idea of Buddhism is about connecting everything. Everything is being connected. Meaning, if you move one thing, the whole world, the universe is relating to that. So there's no single event that doesn't affect to the other. It's kind of like a mirror. Interpenetration, it's called. And that just sounds like a philosophical bullshit. But let's look at the pragmatic application. I posted the video about being conscious of unconscious in this Let's Meditate series of my video. And talking about breathe in and out, lung, air goes distributed, and when it's needed, that's unconsciously done. But when we get upset, we need more blood at the brain. So all the blood goes in that direction, and taking the important blood to be distributed in the body may be sucked up, or if you have a upset feeling, stomach is hurting, you ignore it, the stomach may develop ulcer. So there's a relationship, one affects the other in our whole body. But in the sense of this concept applied in human world, in that video I mentioned about use of AI. AI is like an extension of our brain, and it sucks up all the blood, or in this case, electricity. I was in nuclear business. I know something about the nuclear power plant. So they're going to build lots of nuclear power plant so that they feed the energy need in the AI data center, whatever the function of the brain in AI is. So it may create imbalance, like in the case of the human body, upset feeling, the need, and depriving what's needed, the rest of the body. This happens possibly in the whole planet. And the consequence of that could be fairly big. Only the point is just be careful. Brain is not everything. Brain is part of the whole system. We need to listen to our body and heart. I wrote a book called The Results from the Heart, and that was mainly pointing the need at the managerial level to realize the importance of heart, which include bringing out the wisdom and compassion of people. But if the compassion or wisdom is forgotten because of this occupied delusion of the mind at the management, they keep saying, do this, do this, do this, and people say, okay, you do that, then just tell me what to do. Then you lose the balance, like a brain is doing something and the oxygen in the body is depleted. That's not healthy. It may be a human stupidity of a big scale, biased idea, local optimizing, but not looking at the balance, not having the wisdom and compassion. The book didn't sell well, even though there was the foreword by the Dalai Lama. I said, use the brain, listen to your heart, and live with the mission. You can say, use your brain and listen to your body, and live with the mission. And the Dalai Lama said, use your brain, at the same time listen to your body and live with the mission. It's precise. I thought my sentence, the way is good enough, but it's not good enough. You have to have this whole system understood, brain and heart and brain and body and the interrelationship. And if we don't have the wisdom to look at the whole and lack the compassion of the depleted oxygen in our body, you have a stroke or something. And the whole system may fail. So let's not have the egocentric way of one part of the body or the mind to take over like an ego and the rest to be suffering. We need the wisdom and compassion to go beyond. My book didn't sell much. I think it's my fault of how I did present. But the idea, I think, is good, and the idea of Dalai Lama is precise. Be careful. Not locally optimized. Always find the bottleneck, figure out, develop nervous system. The whole idea of may all beings be happy, or conscious or unconscious, is very much connected to this view, holistic view. Not be egocentric, not be locally optimized. Let's have a calm and clear, calm and quiet mind and connect to the heart, our root, the reason why we are here, the nature's way. Thank you.